Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so what we look from internet. dilarang ya kalau nggak pakai baju adat Bali ya.
ada macam lampu di sana. Kelihatan nggak sih? Ada some stair. Yeah, let's check. Us, but I'm not going to be there. Let's get back. White stone here. So if the full month, I believe the water must be reach the wall over there. That's why, yeah, it's make the ship like, you know, most of the time water hitting. Yeah. All right. So actually I plan to go there, but I don't think so. There is something over there, you know, like just nothing. So we just go over here. Yeah. Just walk around here. Nothing. Actually, it's very small. Just small beach over here. See? Alright. Nothing. The best part only there, in the tunnel. Alright, we just stay for a while here. Take a seat and we will go back later on. Yeah, I saw there is some coconut. I don't know where to buy. I didn't see there is some seller or vendor or something to buy some coconut here. Alright. Let's make around.